Hi, good night. My name is Juan Perdomo, and I'm going to show you how to use Revit to make the house curuchet. Well, I have already the house, but I'm going to show you the process, how I made it. Well, here you have the interface. You have models and families and your models of houses or something else that you did it. Well, first we have models. We can search and open a file that we have in the PC. We can make a new in the families. The families in Revit are the things that you use to complete the model examples, tables, windows, doors, and others. Well, the first thing that you're going to do to start a model, you have to go to new and select this. If you want to make a model architectonic, construction, structural, mechanic, systems, electric, but we are going to use architectonic. The difference between the others is more specialized. In tools, example construction, you can start with the um, science the earth of the project. Architectonic, well, that depends more of the levels of the things. Well, first we are going to cancel this because I have here the model, sorry. And we have here other things. We have the model and the I'm sorry, I forgot how to okay. We have here my model finished. It's not the better, but it's a good model, I think. Well, here we have the interface that, depending on what we are going to do, we have different functions. Example, this. Well, the first thing I forgot to mention is when you are going to make a model, it's better to have um, something that you are going to create. Example, you're going to here I'm going to import, and you import the file that you had the house example. I have house curuchet. Well, we have here the other options. Example, the interface. We have architecture, structure, systems, and this. Well, um, depending on what you're going to do, we have different functions. Example, the project browser, when you're going to uh, which will show us everything related to elevations views, and on the right side we have properties, which will help us modify all the modeling elements. If we want to search a view that not appear here on the right side in the project browser, we're going to go view. Example, we are going to view. Here we have a lot of options, but we are going to use this. Example, you can select three options depending what are you going to do, but we are going to select this. Normally here are the views or the levels, but I don't have one because I have in the project browser. Example, level 1, level 2, level 3. But if you have here, you select all of them, and go to click accept, and it's going to appear here in the views, and you can select what view are you want to, or what level are you want to see. Well, the other options, example, well, I'm not going to click that. Example, we have the views level 1, we have level 2, level 3, level 4, and the last level. And the 3D view is very useful when you make a model. Um, well, the other things that we are going to add to the model is how to add um, uh, I'm sorry, I forget. To add walls, floors, roof, doors, windows, curtain walls, stairs, railing, building areas, and the last is port and print. Well, the first thing is to add dimensions. Well, we're going to go level 1, and we have to go here and select what we're going to need. Well, it's something like AutoCAD, but have some tools different. Example, we're going to use this alinea, and we're going to select this to the other point, and we're going to get the size, and this, and you can use it with all the project, with all the model. Example, I'm going to take here and the other here, and I have the other size. Well, but I'm going to, well, the size stay, and the other tool that we're going to use is walls. Example, you can select wall, and you're going to use, I don't know, a lot of options that you have here, but I'm going to use this. I can create walls and close it like this, but I'm going not to use this, so I select all with control and use delete. The floors, is with this tool. You can create with two ways. Example, this, we're going to use this form, or you can select with lines, and you go to check, and here we have the a floor, as you can see, but we are not going to use it. And this is the how you can create floors. Well, the other options that we are going to use is, I'm going to create I'm going to create a floor here. Example, I'm going to do a square floor. As you can see, here's the floor. Then we are going to use wall, and I'm going to close it. Yes, as you can see. The other option I'm going to use is going to architecture and use where is it? I forget. It's here. For door, you have to 4 dimensions, but you can insert other families of floors as like windows and other things. Example, we are going to put a 70, no, it's really small, 100 to 210 centimeters. Here, example, here we have the first door, as you can see. Sorry, you can see our first door. Then I'm going to put a window. You go to the tool window and you can select what you like more. For example, I'm going to put this. Then go to level 1 and put here. Then go to, well, if you have this, it's something bad. You have to go here and change in properties the the um, the height. So I'm going to put 1. As you can see, the window up, but it's really up, so I'm going to put, I don't know, here, this, it's better. So I'm going to play with this. Just as you can see, we have here the a window in the project part, in the example. Well, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to put a curtain wall. You have to go to the tool wall and select here in the properties the curtain wall. I'm going to use this and put here. As you can see, we have the curtain wall, and you can um, change the properties. Example, this. I'm going to put 1, but in this case I'm going to use this, and here the same, as you can see. Or you can shade with this. Well, this is the end of the videos. For the last step, we are going to make stairs and railing. Well, the first thing that you're going to do is select the tool stairs. In this case, it's very important to have other levels created, like here, that we have here. Example, this is the 3D model. Then I'm going to make stairs. I'm going to select, I don't know, from here. No, I'm going to select from here. Yeah, this is not right. I'm going to create again. I know what's happening. This is the side of the levels. No. I'm going here, example, to create stairs. Example, we're going to make here and this. Right. Now it's correct. As you can see, we have here all stairs. And sometimes automatically Revit creates railings. As you can see, Revit creates. And then The last step is how to create railings. Example, I'm going to make, I don't know, a floor here. I'm going to create here a floor. As you can see, we have here the floor, and we are going to put the railings here with this tool. You can select a point, sorry, a, a point, the other point, and you can close it. I'm sorry, you can close it. Here we have our railings, as you can see. And the last step that we are going to do, I'm going to close this. The last step that you're going to is select here, file, export, and you can put in CAD file or a PDF. As you can see here, you can change the name, color, and other things. I'm going to export, and we're going to see how is this sometimes too so long, so I'm going to make a short. As you can see, we have here the last step, that where is export and then print. But other options that it's better, I think it's better, is to export in a file of AutoCAD. And in AutoCAD you can create the other things that you need. Example, a format, and labels and other things like size, but this is the better way. You can export the other file to AutoCAD and it's make easier the work, and that's all. My name is Juan Perdomo. Thank you for watching.